back, and we're almost dead again. Okay. Look. Oh shit. Okay, this is quite scary. Again, sorry for the horrible quality. I stopped to check something. I'm really bad at this game, and I'm definitely gonna be really jump scared this one. Stupid camera. Ooh. Interesting. Oh my gosh, don't get stuck. Oh my gosh, you're so slow in this game. Oh crap, don't kill me. Don't touch me, Slender. Okay, there you are. I kinda get used to it. Oh gosh. We're gonna definitely get caught this one. Okay. Hey, look, a hut. I think I've already been to this one. Crap. It's quite scary. What happens if I look behind me? Shh. Crap. Running. You run so slow in this game. Okay. Look, now he's not there. Oh my gosh, you screamed like a girl. Okay. You still there? Okay, you're making it out fuzzy. He's starting to appear right in front of me. Oh gosh. Oh, yes. Run, just run. Screw the flashlight, just run. Just run. Oh, so much ambience. Who's that? Oh, I don't want to play this game anymore. Damn it, what's this? It's a stream again. Speaking of streams, I should stream sometime. Okay, don't go towards the statue. I don't know what it means when it's flashing like that. My flashlight goes on, I'm so screwed. You still behind me? I don't know, I'm going this way. Again, do I have to apologize for the horrible quality? It's really that bad. What does it mean? What was that? Who the hell is he? Oh gosh, no. No! Oh my gosh. That's scary. Okay, I hear it. It's definitely nearby. Keep walking, keep walking. Okay, I got 5 out of 8. I might do it overall, actually. Just gonna check. It's not there. That's good. Stupid Slim Man or whatever he is. I don't know. This game is getting really creepy. It's a fun game. You guys should definitely check it out. My Clash of Clans right now. Oh shit. This might be it going over here. I don't know. Hello, crying baby. Should I? No. Screw that. I'm not going inside the building. I'll see how long this video can go. It might go longer than the other. Oh crap! No! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Sorry if you heard that. Oh my gosh! It was so scary. I'll see you guys next time. I'll play a different game for sure. Please comment, like, subscribe, whatever. It was so scary. See you guys later. Peace. This has been SpaceCatGaming.